Hello everyone. This video tutorial shows how to install the CGH series hybrid inverter. Please read the user manual carefully, and all the installation operations must be carried out by qualified professionals. After unpacking, please refer to the pack list to check the accessories and inverter for any damage or missing parts. The necessary tools and cables for installation in advance. Mounting. First, place the inverter bracket horizontally on the wall and mark 4 corresponding punching points via a bubble level. Use an impact drill with a diameter of 10 mm to drill the holes, ensuring a depth of the hole is approximately 60 mm. Use expansion screws to fix the inverter bracket to the wall. And hang the inverter steadily on the bracket. Use M5 screws to secure both sides of the inverter to ensure the stable installation. P cable connection. Before making the ground wire, please ensure the PV switch of inverter is in the off state. Use insulated glove and make ground wire terminal with appropriate length. Refer to the markings. Based on the site situation, please select a suitable ground point of the inverter and connect the ground wire with M5 screws. AC cable connection. Inverter. Unscrew the AC connector in sequence. Make L, N, PE wires with appropriate length. And use hydraulic plier to press each terminal tightly. Use an Allen wrench to secure the L, N, PE wires to the corresponding pin of the connector. After inserting the rubber sealing ring into the AC connector and tightening the bottom, the AC connector part is completed. Put the AC connectors plug into the inverter backup and on-grid ports respectively. PV cable connection. Make the PV wire terminal with appropriate length and use crimping plier to press them tightly. Unscrew the PV connector. Insert the wire terminal into the connectors and tighten them with PV tools. Use the multimeter to measure whether the open circuit voltage of the photovoltaic is within 600 volt. Remove the waterproof plug and connect the PV connector to the corresponding PV port of the inverter according to the polarity. Battery cable connection. Make the battery wire terminal with appropriate length. Refer to the markings. Unscrew the battery connector. Insert the wire terminal into the corresponding battery connector. Use crimping plier to press it firmly. Remove the waterproof plug and connect the battery connector to the corresponding battery port of the inverter according to the polarity. Communication cable connection. Remove the waterproof cover and rubber sealing ring from the communication port of the inverter. Thread the meter cable through the rubber sealing ring and waterproof cover in sequence. Prepare the CT and smart meter. Connect the meter cable and BMS cable to the corresponding meter and BMS communication ports of the inverter and tighten the bottom. Connect the RS485A and 485B wires of meter cable to the pin 10 and pin 9 ports of the smart meter respectively. Connect the white and black wires of CT cable to the pin 1 and pin 2 ports of the smart meter. Connect the L and N wires to the pin 4 and pin 3 ports of the smart meter respectively. Please make sure the CT is installed at the common coupling point of a household power grid, and the CT direction must be pointing towards the grid side. Wi-Fi for G dongle connection. Finally, insert the dongle into the USB communication port and tighten the bottom to complete all installations of the inverter section. Please scan the following QR code or download the Clenergy app from iOS and Google Play Store to bind your device for remote real-time monitoring. Thanks for choosing our CGH series hybrid inverter.